In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at my latest purchase. This is the Wingscape bird camera mounting arm. As with all my purchases, I like doing these videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. And I apologize, this box is rather large, so it's kind of hard to get a decent angle on it, but I'm hoping I can at least give you an idea of what it looks like. Now, I'm going to be using this with the Wingscape bird camera, which is sold separately. This thing is awesome, $79, and basically what it is it's a trail camera that you use for birding. The main difference is it's small, and then it has a shorter focus area, whereas your regular trail camera is going to focus larger. It's more designed for looking at fields, deer feeders, stuff like that. This guy is designed for birding. So I've already opened it. Let's take a look at everything we get, and then once I get it set up, maybe I'll do a quick follow-up to show you my setup. What's cool about this arm versus some of the other arms out there is you get this extra extension piece so you can kind of fine-tune your angle from your bird camera. Now, I'm going to be using it with the bird camera. You could use this with regular trail cameras as well as if you needed to. If you wanted to try and get a trail camera on your deer feeder or something like that, it would work perfectly fine. They give you this strap so you can connect the arm to a tree. You can run it around a tree or a pole. I'm not going to be using the strap. I'm going to plan on just mounting it directly to a pole. And then this is basically the arm. So what you've got here is you unscrew this. I won't unscrew it all the way, but you can take this bottom piece off and basically put it around the back of a pole. Put this one there, and then you put these clamps through it to mount it to your pole. Then this is going to be where we mount our trail camera. You've got two different adjustments. This one to where you can get the angle perfect, and then the second one which you can basically turn any way you want. The main thing with this one though is most people are buying it for the extension arm, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull this off, and then instead what we're going to do is we're going to put in the extension arm. And now I've got some more flexibility in terms of where the trail camera is going to be. I still need to put this piece on this end over here. So there we go. So I can raise this, get my angle, tighten this down, can loosen this, adjust the angle, and then again I've got another adjustment over here for the pole. So we should be able to fine tune it and get our bird camera at the perfect angle from our feeder. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to go put it out. Once I get it set up, I'll give you a follow-up. It'll hopefully make a little bit more sense, but this is the Wingscape BirdCam mounting arm. Alright, so I mentioned I would show you my setup. Now I've got mine hooked up to a solar panel, so that's what this cable is that's running down here at the bottom. But here's the arm. Got it connected to my pole, and now I'm just going straight out, and I've got it positioned on my hummingbird feeder. I didn't have to do it that way. Again, I could have bent this any way I wanted to. I could have even bent it up and faced the camera in. You can really face it any direction you want to, but it makes it really easy when you're trying to get it on a feeder. Anyway, that's a quick look at the arm from Wingscape. I hope the video helps.